In this CCNA configuration example, we will configure EtherChannel. We will do these EtherChannel configurations on Cisco Layer 3 switches. To do this on Packet Tracer, we will use Cisco 3560 model Layer 3 switch. We will make our EtherChannel with 4 ports on each switch. Let's connect them with crossover cable one by one. Yes, we have completed these physical connections. Now it is time to configure the ether channel between these switches. I will start with switch 0. Here, firstly, we will go to each interface and add it to the channel group 1. While doing this, I will also set the mode of the port. According to this choice, port will use PAGP or LACP. LACP has 2 modes, active and passive. Here we will configure each port as active. So our command will be channel group mode active. We have added all the ports to the channel group 1 with mode active. Now let's do the same on switch 1. Now let's go to ether channel interface and do the configurations about it. With show IP interface brief command, we can check ether channel interface. As you can see, port channel 1 is here. This is the name of complete ether channel interface. We can set ether channel load balancing here. There are different options and one of them is default one. So I will set it again. Now let's go to port channel 1 interface and set its IP address. To add an IP address to a switch port, firstly, we should use no switch port command. With this command, we will set our port layer 3 capable. We will set 192.168.1.1 IP address to this interface with subnet mask. Lastly, we will save our configuration. Now, let's do the same configuration on switch 1. This time only, IP address will be different. It will be 192.168.1.2. We have finished ether channel configuration on both switches. Let's verify our ether channel configuration. We can see the options available here with show ether channel command. With show ether channel summary command, we can see summary info about our ether channel. Here, we can see port channel and the interfaces under it. Then we can use show ether channel port channel command. Here, we can see the states of ports, EtherChannel Protocol as LACP, the number of ports, etc. We can check the same things on switch 1. Lastly, let's ping the other end from this switch to check the IP connectivity. Our IP address is 192.168.1.1 and the other end's IP address is 192.168.1.2. It is successful. Let's ping from the other end now. It is also successful. In this packet tracer configuration example, we have configured EtherChannel. We have used LACP, Link Aggregation Control Protocol, for our configuration.